If you've ever wanted to turn a moment from your video into a clean, crisp photo using CapCut, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to freeze any frame of your video and turn it into a still image. Perfect for thumbnails, social media posts, or just capturing a memory. We're going to use CapCut's handy freeze feature, so let's jump straight in. First, go ahead and open up CapCut and load the video project you want to work with. This is the base of your editing session. Think of it like opening a scrapbook to add a new highlight. If you're not sure which video to use yet, just choose one. And remember, you can always swap or redo these steps later. CapCut makes it easy to move between projects, so don't worry about making a mistake at this stage. Once your video is open, take a moment to find the exact spot you want to turn into a photo. You'll do this by moving the playhead, which is that slim red vertical line sitting right above your timeline. This playhead works almost like a highlighter in a textbook. It shows you exactly where you are in the video. So just drag it along your timeline until you hit that perfect frame. Maybe it's a smile, a surprising reaction, or a beautiful landscape, whatever feels just right. Take your time here. Sometimes it takes a couple of passes to land on that flawless moment. If you go one frame too far, simply step back. A single tap or drag will do it. Now, with the playhead exactly where you want, you're ready to freeze the action. The steps are a little different depending if you're using the CapCut mobile app or the desktop software. On mobile, tap on your video clip to select it, then look for the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. It'll scroll horizontally, so swipe left or right until you see the freeze button. Tap it. CapCut will instantly create a 3-second still image right where the playhead was and drop it into your timeline. If you're working on a PC, things are just as simple. Right-click directly on the clip at the playhead's position and pick Freeze from the context menu. And that's it. The software automatically generates that frozen frame, and you'll see it added as a new segment in your timeline, ready to use. This freeze feature is super practical. For example, if you want to highlight a specific pause in your video, maybe for a dramatic effect or just to let viewers soak in a key moment, this method helps you do that without any complicated exporting or pausing tricks. It's also perfect for building out title screens, end cards, or custom overlays. Don't worry if you make a mistake the first time. You can always undo, move the playhead, and freeze a new frame. CapCut is built for flexibility. When you're happy with your new photo segment, you can use it within your larger video project or export it as part of your finished video. If you need the image file itself for another platform, just export that specific segment, and you'll have a crisp still ready to share. And that's how you can turn any moment from your video into a photo using CapCut's freeze feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Got any questions about CapCut or want to see more tips and tricks? Drop your comments below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy and practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing.